So, nabuo po ulit kayo dalawang grupo na tiglimang miyembro. Bawal lang sumali. Huwag sasali. Pag nabalaglag, balik ulit, balik. Pag nalaglag yung globo o yung bola. Tulungan niyo yung kagrupo niyo, tulungan niyo si tatay. Balik, balik!
Boy, 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 boy!
Ayun! Ako si tatay. Ah. Okay, kuha, balik! Next! Okay, mga palato! Sige, palato, go! Okay, next, next, next! Okay, meron na.
Tumaki kasi, hindi na uso yung white bukod sa mahal. Mas maganda, di ba? Tubig ang katapat dito, mga kapatid. Tapos, paglinis, sa pega.
Who will go overboard with buying baby clothes? TJ, naiintindihan mo ba, TJ? Who will be the main disciplinarian? Who will do most of the midnight feedings? Pangalay daw yung pangalay si Kim. Who will cry first after the baby is born? Who will want another baby first? Who will make the coffee? Para sa inyo dalawa, syempre bayad ko yan. Who will make the coffee? Who will do the dishes? Who will play more with the baby? Who will go to sleep first? Who will do more laundry? neighbors first? Who will do? Sino ang mahilig mag-shopping sa Shopee? Who was the picky eater as a child? Sino sa inyo ang
Reward. So, salamat sa Panginoon. We know that the greatest gift for every couple is a child. But we know also, kahit nga hindi magkaanak ang couple, the greatest gift in the family is the gospel. Amen? It is the gospel that is the greatest thing that we need in every family, in every couple, sa ating
Ilan lang? 5 ha? Okay. 1,